Guys, welcome back to my vlog. Let's fucking skirt, boys. Where are you going? This lady is judging us. Lady, don't do that. What? Okay, well, we just came back from a frat party, and now we're going to a McDonald's, and they're in a rush for some reason, but I don't really care why. So, I think my friend's red Jeep. As you can see right here, can you see it? It's red. Yeah. Why did I have to say that? Like, we just got back from a frat. My friend went to get Oh, what's up? Oh my god. Why? What are you doing? For me? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I love my friends.
He's like, I'm sorry for my friend. I'm like, yeah, you should be. And then he bought me fries. So
good job, Fanas, bitch.
yeah.
Thanks. So you just let's see your tooth gem.
In the nighttime, trap nigga with the chickens like.
Okay, nice. How'd you do it?
Tutorial. So you buy Swarovski crystals from Michael's. $3 comes in a pack, unlimited. You go to Shoppers. Nail glue that comes with press-on nails.
For nails.
For nails.
And then you put it in your mouth.
And then you dry off your tooth. Do a dab will do ya. Then you grab one of those and you stick that bitch on.
You stick it on, and
mine lasted for a month until I swallowed it.
She swallowed it in her sleep.
So I reapplied.
It gives you cavities.
Let's hear it.
Down. When I have my lip.
I kind of want it down.
Two? Push it down. Do it. Okay. Should I?
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog.
It's 12:21. There we go, 12:21.
So we were playing some pong, some water pong for the children of God. The RA came. We got kicked out.
A warning.
I got sent to jail.
This is clickbait straight up.
Thank you.
We could have gone to jail.
Yeah, but our IA sucks, so we had to leave our room.
Now we're in OC where the RA is not here.
That's what UBC is. When you're picking your school, consider the party life, because I didn't, and
Straight back room.
really feeling the consequences right now.
Yeah, Greek life, if you're not in it, it's really sucks. No, you gotta make your own friends.
We're gonna join
AKA these idiots that are hanging off the wall right now.
Guys, we made our own. We made our own sorority.
We have to make our own parties.
There's a frat happening tonight, but this is so much better.
Dude, I actually have a YouTube channel that
I just want to show the rest of the
Lighting crew.
Your sister. I know, but like, what? Or like it's taking them. Oh, why didn't you usually just go hi guys?
Not Okay, so just for context, pretty much I was at a mutual friend's house for a party. I introduced myself to people as Kiana, and then there were these two people that they forgot my name like halfway through the night, and they're like, "What's your name?" And I was like, "You don't know my name?" And he's like, "Nay," and I was like, "Yeah," and then his friend said Rad, so I was like, "Oh my gosh, yes, it's a Rad." Rad.
Wait, are you being for real?
Yep.
Rad. Sophia?
No, I'm Rad.
Nirathi. No, you laugh every time you say it like it's not real.
I'm just laughing.
Oh, sorry.
That's her name. I'm her best friend. That is her name. It's on her birth certificate. I've seen her driver's license. It's on her.
Remember?
Because you think it's not her real name.
No, I do remember.
Which
it
is kind
starting...
of insulting if you think about it.
Oh my god. Okay. I believe now. I believe.
I'm Kiana.
And if it is a double cross. No.
Guys, we're at the Whole Foods parking lot. No. Guys, no. I raised her well. She's a child of God. She doesn't do that. 15
Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Leave me a comment down below at what university you go to.
Hi YouTube, make me famous.